Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Hospital Socks is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential items for expecting mothers, providing crucial comfort, warmth, and safety during the unique and often unpredictable journey of labor and delivery, ensuring you can focus entirely on bringing your little one into the world without worrying about cold feet or slippery floors. Number 5. Hylaea Unisex Non-Slip Socks. Experience superior stability with these innovative socks. They are designed to keep you firmly grounded during any activity, preventing slips and enhancing your performance. Whether you're holding a challenging yoga pose or mastering your Pilates routine, these socks provide the confidence you need. They ensure a secure connection to the mat, allowing you to focus on your form. Beyond the studio, they offer essential safety in hospital settings or during bar workouts. Their reliable grip makes them a versatile choice for various environments. Featuring a comfortable ankle fit, these socks provide just the right amount of coverage. They are also cushioned to offer extra comfort and support throughout your day. Crafted for both men and women, these unisex socks are a practical addition to anyone's wardrobe. They combine functionality with comfort, making them suitable for all users. What we like. These socks offer excellent cushioning and a secure grip, making them highly versatile. They are perfect for maintaining stability during light activities or recovery. If you're looking for versatile, comfortable non-slip socks for various uses, these are a great choice. What people say. Number 4. Hylaea Unisex Non-Slip Socks. Discover ultimate comfort and safety with these innovative socks. They are designed to enhance your performance and provide peace of mind. They feature advanced grip technology, ensuring stability on any surface. You can move confidently without worrying about slips or falls. Whether you're practicing yoga, attending a Pilates class, or at the hospital, they offer reliable traction. They are your ideal companion for various activities. Designed with an ankle cut, they provide a secure yet comfortable fit. Their cushioned sole adds an extra layer of softness, making them a pleasure to wear. These versatile socks are suitable for both men and women. They combine functionality with a simple, practical design for all users. Enjoy improved balance and reduced risk of injury with them. They are crafted to support your active lifestyle and well-being. What we like. Designed for superior traction, these socks ensure safety on slippery surfaces. Their snug fit provides all-day comfort without constriction. If you prioritize reliable grip and comfort for hospital stays or home use, these will serve you well. What people say. Number 3. Frida Mom 15PC Labor and Postpartum Kit. Preparing for motherhood is a beautiful journey, and this kit is designed to support you every step of the way. It's a thoughtful gift for any mom-to-be, ensuring comfort and care during a special time. This comprehensive set includes vital items for your postpartum recovery. From a peri bottle for gentle cleansing to ice maxi pads for soothing relief, it has you covered. Experience ultimate comfort with the included nursing gown and disposable underwear. These items are designed for ease and hygiene, allowing you to focus on your new baby. Discover the perineal foam and pad liners, specifically chosen to aid in your healing process. They provide gentle care and support when you need it most. Don't forget the cozy socks and a convenient toiletry bag, perfect for hospital stays or home use. Every detail in this kit is considered for your well-being. Looking for an ideal baby shower gift? This kit is a practical and loving gesture for any expectant mother, showing her you care about her comfort and recovery. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything a new mom needs for labor and postpartum recovery. It includes not just socks, but a full range of essential items for comfort and care. If you're preparing for delivery and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this kit is invaluable. What people say. Number 2. JEUHUT Grip Socks. Introducing our premium grip socks, designed for ultimate safety and comfort. They provide reliable traction, helping you stay secure on various surfaces. Crafted with women in mind, these socks offer a snug and comfortable fit. They are ideal for everyday wear or specialized needs. Each pack contains 12 pairs, ensuring you always have a fresh pair ready. This generous quantity offers great value and convenience. Equipped with advanced grips, they prevent accidental slips and falls. Their innovative design ensures stability on smooth floors. They are perfect for hospital environments, providing essential safety for patients. They also offer crucial support and stability for the elderly, reducing fall risks. What we like. This generous pack offers excellent value with 12 pairs, ensuring you always have a clean pair ready. They feature extra strong grips, ideal for enhanced safety. If you need a large quantity of reliable non-slip socks, especially for extended hospital stays or for elderly care, this bulk option is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Kindred Bravely Tulip Hem Maternity and Postpartum Pajamas. Discover the perfect blend of style and comfort for your maternity and postpartum journey. These pajamas are designed to support you through every stage. With a thoughtful tulip hem, they provide ample room and a flattering fit for your changing body. You'll feel comfortable and confident in them. Transition seamlessly into postpartum with these lounge sets. They offer gentle support and ease for your recovery period. The sleeveless design and easy access features make nursing simple and discreet. You can feed your baby with convenience and privacy. More than just pajamas, these sets are perfect for lounging around the house or even quick errands. They combine practicality with a chic look. Crafted from incredibly soft fabric, they feel gentle against your skin. You'll appreciate the luxurious comfort day and night. What we like. This set prioritizes comfort and ease for the labor and postpartum period. Its thoughtful design includes features beneficial for new mothers during their hospital stay and recovery. If you're seeking a comfortable, functional outfit for your hospital bag that also supports nursing, this set is an excellent addition. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.